Hello and welcome to the fifth film in our roof waterproofing series. In it, we explain the differences between non-accessible, accessible and green roofs. Non-accessible roofs are difficult to reach and not intended to be walked on for long periods or by many people. Access is generally restricted to maintenance and repair personnel, as in the case of the flat roof over the main building at our school in Feldkirch, Austria. Accessible roofs are designed to be used by a number of people on a regular basis, as roof terraces, for example, or as a sports court like the one constructed on the roof of the sports hall at our Feldkirch school. In a green roof, the top layer consists of vegetation. Because non-accessible roofs are generally only walked on by maintenance and repair staff equipped with full protection systems, the roof surface does not need to be made of a material that is safe to walk on. This means that the ballast used to provide wind protection can simply be a loose material of the required weight, generally washed gravel. If a roof surface is to be used as a roof terrace, the surface cladding must provide good walk-on stability and quality. The use of natural stone and concrete slabs laid on a bed of chippings or mortar on the waterproof membrane is common. As water will trickle through the chippings or mortar also used to fill the joints to the waterproof membrane, the slabs should be laid with a full to prevent water from building up at door thresholds. Roof terraces can also be clad with wooden decking, as at our workshop in Schwankau. This decking is laid with open joints so that rainwater is able to drain away quickly to the waterproof membrane below, even in heavy rain. As a general rule, decking boards do not provide sufficient ballast for the insulation and waterproofing layers, and it's therefore also necessary to lay a bed of gravel beneath them. A green or living roof is one that is covered by a more or less continuous surface layer of vegetation. Here you can see a wide-angle aerial view of the school we completed in Freising in 2003. The roof of the large flat building was generously greened to compensate for the land lost to construction and to provide the long classroom building with a view of an attractive roof. If plants are to grow on a flat roof, they require a moist growing medium. This consists of several layers that are positioned on the normal roof structure in the place of gravel or terrace decking. With a warm roof like the one shown here, the waterproof membrane must be root-proof or protected by an additional root barrier. This is followed by a textile drainage layer to ensure even water distribution, covered by a filter fleece. A substrate or pre-planted vegetation layer is then placed on the filter fleece. Green roofs are described as either extensive or intensive, depending on the depth of the substrate layer. The substrate on an extensive green roof is approximately 8 to 10 centimeters deep and is suitable for grasses and mosses that require only minimal maintenance. However, the restricted growth and color of such plants often results in an unnatural and drab look that is accentuated during long periods of dry weather. The deeper the layer of substrate, the more spectacular the visual impression a green roof will be. A depth of about 15 centimeters or more will allow plants to grow taller and more densely, giving a meadow-like appearance, as at our school in Freising. The deeper the soil cover layer and the better the watering, the taller the plants will grow, up to and including trees. But the more maintenance and care the roof will require. Summary: non-accessible roofs are difficult to reach and not intended to be walked on for long periods or by many people. Access is generally restricted to maintenance and repair personnel. The surface of such roofs need not be made of a material that is safe to walk on. A loose material such as gravel is sufficient. Accessible roofs are designed to be used by a number of people on a regular basis, as roof terraces, for example, and the surface cladding must therefore provide good walk-on stability and quality. In a green roof, the top layer consists of vegetation. If plants are to grow on a flat roof, they require a moist growing medium. Green roofs are described as either extensive or intensive, depending on the depth of the substrate layer. We recommend that you take a look at the sixth film in our roof waterproofing series, in which we discuss how the junction between the edge of a flat roof and the upstand is constructed.